guys, welcome to Spartan Station. It is a new week and I hope you really enjoyed Zoo Week last week, but this week is going to be amazing because it's all about art. What's art? Arts are things that you can create. Maybe you do it through drawing or painting, maybe you sculpt something. People make art in lots of different ways. Sometimes dancing is a form of art. There's lots of different ways you can do art. Now you might be saying, Miss Sarah, why do you only have 2 pictures behind you? Usually you have lots of pictures for the week. Well, I was trying to figure out the coolest pictures that I liked of art, and I picked this one, which is A Starry Night, and this one that's by Monet. But guess what I realized? My favorite art is from you guys. I miss seeing all of your art projects every day. I miss you guys drawing pictures for me and bringing them over. So I decided I'd only put up 2. And I'm hoping this week that you make lots and lots of different art, and that maybe you could ask your mommy to send me pictures, and then maybe I print it out and hang it up in my house because your art is amazing. All right, now Mr. Matt's going to be doing our facts today, but just so you know, we're talking about someone named Renoir, and he is right here, and this is the art we're going to make today. Are you ready? Now look at this. Now he was a French painter. He was from France. And he is the first one that started saying, hey, I think we should paint more about what we see and the different light that comes down. So can you imagine sitting in a chair and this is what he's looking at and he's like, I'm going to paint this. That's what lots of artists do. They go somewhere and they're like, wow, this place is awesome. I want to paint it. Have you ever done that? Have you ever been to a cool place and you're like, this place is amazing. I want to remember it forever. If you want to remember something forever, what could you do? You know what mommies do a lot? They take out their camera and they snap a picture. That's a form of art too that we'll talk about on Friday. But guess what? Maybe you can think of something that was amazing that you saw and you want to draw it to remember it because it made you happy. So we're going to go ahead and put this back up. It looks like I'm going to put it a little crooked, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and make that picture today. So what you're going to need is if your mommy helped get out your supplies, you're going to need a piece of white paper. You're going to need some tape. Mine happens to be blue. And you're going to need some watercolors. Now, if you don't have watercolors in a little container, kind of like Miss Sarah does that we do at school, your mom can go ahead and get some food coloring and put it in and go ahead and have you paint with that. All right, now if we look at this picture, what did he paint? Do you see this? It's a bridge going over water. And look at all the flowers down there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper, and I want you to take tape. Now, you can build any type of bridge that you want. It's kind of hard to make the bridge do a curve or an arch when you're using tape. So I'm just going to do mine straight. So I'm going to take a long piece of paper. I rip it with my teeth sometimes, and I'm going to tape it down. Oh, I made mine too long. Oh, I made mine too long. But that's okay. I'll just leave it like that. So there's my first piece. Maybe I'll rip this side off right here. Oh, I'll be able to use these for a different part. All right, I have these 2 extra ones I'm just going to set to the side. And now I'm going to do a second one that's going to go across also. All right. We're at Spartan Station. I'm going to measure this one to make sure I have the right length. Miss Sarah might have done the tape for you, but because you're at home, you get to do the tape all by yourself. All right, so I did 2, and they're parallel or straight across from each other. 1, 2, and now I'm going to go ahead and do lines like this going down. Because you see them right here? Yep, and I want it to look like a bridge. All right, so I did my first one. I'm probably going to do 4, I think. That's my estimate. So there's 1, 2, 3. Oh, I made that one too long too. And 4. Now you also could have used, which I should have done, the extra tape I had before because I made that one too long. All right, so this is my bridge going across. Now what colors would you like to see on your bridge? If you're trying to make your picture look like this, you might do green and blue and purple, but maybe you say, when I go outside and I looked at a bridge, I would want it to be red and orange and pink, so you can pick anything you want. So I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm going to put it in, and then I'm going to start painting. Now I'm going to paint some purple. I'm going to do purple and actually blue all over for my water that's underneath. Here we go, a little more purple, a little more blue. I'm actually mixing my purple and blue together so that it kind of mixes and looks different. Do a little more purple, and a little blue, and a little more purple, and a little more blue. All right, let's see. Oh, that's my water at the bottom. What do you think? All right, now the next thing, I look behind and look at all those trees back there. I think I'm gonna make that green. So I'm gonna make it so it's green behind my bridge. And I'm gonna make it go vertical because I think plants grow straight up or vertical. So I'm gonna do some green blue going up. All right, I'm gonna show you in 1 second. I've got 2 more blocks to do. Guys, what colors are you doing on yours? Do you want yours to look the same as that one, or do you want it to be your very own different one? You can pick anything you want. All right, look. I decided to do green and blue going up. Now, what color do I want my sky to be? Or maybe I have even more, look, darker up there. Let's see. I want to do some blue and white. Oh, my white has a little purple in it. It's going to be awesome. Now, my paper's white, so it's a little bit hard for it to see, but it's there. All right, let's see. You know, I'm running out of watercolors. I've never used watercolors so much in all my life. All right, guys. Now, something that I liked that happened is if you look here, you can see all the different colors light. So I'm going to put a little purple and white, and I'm going to do dots for my flowers. Maybe a little green and purple. Mix those together. Have them be the dots for my flowers. Now, for my dots, I'm just going down and making it like they're flowers. Let's see. Green and purple flowers. All right, guys. Oops. What do you think? Do you see my flowers on the bottom that I made? All right, I'm going to set this to the side and let it dry for a minute. Well, actually, I think I might pull it off now because I think the longer the tape stays, the more it will stick. All right, I'm going to pull off my tape. Grab it from the other side and carefully pull it off. That's why I wanted you to use this type of tape so it would come off your paper. All right, here we go. Let's pull both at the same time. You gotta be careful. My paper is a little soggy. Ooh. All right, maybe I will just pull one side. One side off. Are you seeing that bridge coming up as white? Another one off. Let's pull straight down from here. That one's coming off. Oh, I'm almost done. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. I'm ripping my paper a little bit. Rip. Rip. Oh, last piece, guys, last piece. Oh, are you ready? There it is. There's my bridge, and there's my blue sky with my green things behind it, and look at all my flowers floating in the water. Anyways, that's our activity today. Now, guys, you might say, I don't want to make a bridge. I want to make something else. You can make anything you want, and then you can go ahead and paint it and pull the tape off and see what cool design. Some like to do abstract where it's not a picture or anything. It's just a design you made. So maybe you can put tape all over your paper and then just color it different ways. Maybe you could go out and put tape on your sidewalk and color the chalk in different ways. You can do anything you want. We're actually doing a cool chalk activity later. Maybe I'll give tape to my girls and see if they want to make a design. All right, guys. That is our first activity today. Our second activity today is graphing. Do you guys remember how we graph? We count how many there are of a certain item, and then we color in that many spots going up here. So let's see. It shows right here that we're starting with diamonds. That's right. All right, so let's count them. I'll bring it in a little closer for you. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what you're going to do is come over here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're going to color it in. That one's already colored in, so we can go to the next one. All right, what's that? A circle. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, guys, if you want to, you can color the different shapes, different colors to start and then count them, or maybe you can put X's in them as you count them. You can do anything you want. So see, if you wanted to, you could start at the beginning and cut all of them purple so you can match them up. All right, so we had, oh, my tape's sticking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go all the way up to 5 and down. And remember, Miss Sarah likes to create a little bit of a border around it when she's coloring hers in. So do you see? Oh, I taped lots of papers to me. Sorry, tape. All right, here we go. See? And so all the way up to 5. See the number 5? And I colored into there. So now I'm going to color them all in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. All right, now the next shape's a little bit tricky. It looks like a star, but it has lots of different sides. Do you see that star right there? Should we count how many there are? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. I want this one to be green. So I'm going to come over to my graph. Now that I know there's 8, and I'm going to find it. I'm going to see where the number 8 is. There it is. And I'm going to color all of those in. All right, here we go. Down, over, down, over. And I'm going to color them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys. Which one is there more of? More of the green stars or the circles or the diamonds? That's right, there's more of the green. What is there the smallest amount of, the least of? Let's see which one's the lowest. Purple, that's right. All right, let's see what our next one is. A triangle. Should we count our triangles? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Do you see any other ones? I don't either. Looks like 3 is our magic number. I like orange, so I'm going to do my 3 orange. Border, border, fill it in. Let's see. There we go. Now which one's the least? Do you see how the purple is higher and the orange is smaller or lower? That means we have the smallest amount of triangles so far. And which one do we still have the most of? Stars. That's right. All right, last we have hearts. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's find our number 9. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right. All right, so we're going to color all the way top. I do not want to do orange again. I want to do a new color. I want to do yellow. All right, I'm going to color all the way to the top. Big border. Now I'm going to color it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, guys, which one has the most now? It's right. It's those hearts that they go all the way up to the top. Good job. And remember, you can come over here and color those too if you'd like. All right, guys, your next activity is with Mr. Matt. I'm just going to show it so in case you haven't had a chance to watch it. Here's his one. And guess what? He wants you to color by following directions. So these are our letters of the week. A, M, P, P, and Y, yeah. Now A is going to be yellow. Remember, yellow. M is going to be black. P is going to be green. And Y is going to be pink. And you're going to have a cute bee carrying around that flower. So make sure that you color this one and recognize those letters and remember your sounds. All right, guys. Mr. Matt is also doing a science activity today that is painting with ice cubes. Now, if you didn't have a chance to do that today, it's a chance because your mom had to hurry and make your ice cubes to go ahead and paint with. And if she did, then that would be awesome for you to go ahead and play with tomorrow. But maybe your mom used your ice cubes today to make your picture of the water like I did. You for sure could paint with the ice cubes to do that. Maybe if your mom is making the ice cubes or you have them now, you could make a new picture and do it. All right. Now for outside time today, I really want my girls to show you the outside time stuff. So I think I'm going to make an outside time video so you can just watch pieces of it every day. So that way I'm not trying to move my camera all over the place and it's so crazy. So the last thing, so we're doing homemade chalk today, and maybe I'll give them the tape and they can make a cool design and then paint the chalk. And then the last thing we're talking about is called pointillism. Now, I should have printed a picture now that I think about it. But what it is, what do you think it means to point? Am I pointing at you? I am. Point. It's kind of like a dot. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of paper and you're going to get some, lots of them, Q-tips. And now you can choose to use your watercolors that you had out before, or you can choose to maybe get some paints. I'm going to do some paints. So I have yellow, and I have orange, and I have pink, and I have blue. And I can make a picture. Now this is a good thing to do to make a picture that's about shapes or designs, or you can try making things. Did you know that there are certain painters that made paintings just like this, and all they did was poke it. You should ask your mom and dad to show you some of those. So I'm going to take a little pink and I'm going to do shapes. So I think I'm going to start with my triangle. And notice what I do. I'm going down and up, down and up, down and up. I'm just doing points. Just dots. Dot, 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 dot. All right, so the shape I decided to start off with, it got a little crooked, is a triangle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my other side. I'm going to pick a new color. And I'm going to try making another one. Dot, 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 dot. Look, I made a circle inside of it. All right, let's see maybe what I want to do next. I'm going to set that down, and I'm going to try yellow. Now, my girl's mixed pink with my yellow, so I don't know what color it's going to turn out at. But I'm going to go ahead and add some more dots for my triangle with the yellowy pink, since I already have some in there. Fill in a little bit of the gaps that I left when I was making my dots. What do you think? All right, what's another shape? We have a triangle and we have a circle. I should make a square. I'm gonna do that with blue. Oh, looks like somebody mixed a little yellow with my blue. So if I have yellow and blue together, what shape do you think or what color do you think I actually had for a second there? Green. Because remember, our primary colors are 1, 2, 3, red, yellow, and blue. And when I mix the blue and the yellow together, those are two primary colors, and they make a secondary color, and that secondary color was green. Now, guys, you could make a person doing dots. You could make a landscape. Maybe you could make a tree. I bet that'd be super awesome. All right, that's my art. Do you like it? Okay. Anyway, so this is our last activity for today. Don't forget to go over and look for my outside video, because that's going to be where Addie and Bryn are showing you the cool chalk creations they made, and I'll show you how to make the chalk. Hopefully you've had a great day, and tomorrow we're going to be talking about this picture, Van Gogh, and you're going to be painting, but you're going to be painting swirls. Swirls. And we're going to see if we can make that starry night ourselves. Okay, guys, have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.